Hey y'all, welcome back to Ariel's channel. Today we're at the Caswell Memorial Campground. So here's my two dogs. The campground is located in Central Valley of Northern California or Bay Area. It's our first time here. The leaves are turning yellow. I can smell the barbecue smell from the neighbor. Oh, it smells so good. It's very nice to be out of the house and in nature again.
回去吃饭了，我已经饿了。
我刚刚坐下，你准备让我坐2-3分钟吧？
We just got situated here and I'm going to start preparing dinner for tonight. This is the first time we go out camping ever since I come back from Asia. It's a familiar and also unfamiliar feeling. 就是那种熟悉又陌生的感觉。就该有猫头鹰，不像我们的 residential 里面有个猫头鹰很稀奇，最开心。你要再挑更好的。如果你有弯刀，我可以尝一尝。因为晚上还有这个森林里的声音。这个是我们邻居的 campground， 他们 decorate 的好可爱啊。
A few moments later.
我们出发啦！我们现在要去一个 trail。Aww, so cute. I'll be right back. I'm just gonna check out the lake really quick. I'll be right back, okay, guys? 很快就回来啊，别着急。这是一个 trail marker。
水好清，好漂亮啊！我们要找 salmon 吗？
Hi, behind me is Stanislaus River, Northern California. Apparently in the fall there's a lot of salmon here that are coming from the ocean to have babies. And then after they have babies, they will pass away. But their babies will be maturing here, grow to adults, and go back to the ocean. That's the ecology of salmon.
这边会有卡尤里。
这个木头是不是有一点像一个狼？是有一点像狼，我去把它照一下。草儿，姐姐回来啦，我们回家喽。我们要回家啦！啊，偶尔出来玩一趟。哦 shoot！秋天的落叶好漂亮哦，我们下次见，拜拜。